Hello, everybody. This is Miss Baird, and I'm here to help you with our AMI Day 20. Um, I'm going to help you with this question, and I think what I need to do is go ahead and make it a little bit bigger so you don't need to see me. So let's start with what this is. I look right here to see what is the question. We always look to see what the question is first. It says, do the lab results confirm the law of conservation of matter? And what evidence from the student's lab notebook supports your answer? Now, those are the two questions. So we say, what the heck is this? The law of conservation of matter. Up here is a little bit of description of that. So let's read this together. The law of conservation of mass states that matter cannot be created or destroyed during a chemical reaction. A student completed a lab experiment in a physical science to confirm the law of conservation of mass. The data table and the diagram were recorded in the student's lab notebook. So here is their data, and probably scroll down a little bit more so you can see this down here. Down here it shows you the scales and the temperature. Does the lab results confirm the law of conservation of matter? Matter cannot be destroyed nor created. It just changes form from one to the other. So what you're going to do is look at your data, and here's the answering. Here's the sentence frames. Let's start with the lab results of, and that's where you pick what you're going to choose to give the example. Does it support the law of conservation of matter, or does it not support it? The data I use to support my answer are blank and blank. And it says, I choose this data because it shows. Now, if we're saying the law of conservation of matter cannot be created or destroyed, you want to look for something that has the same thing at the beginning and the same thing at the end. It can be in a different shape or a different form, but it must be the same amount. That's a little hint for you. Also, I want you to think about, go back to when we said matter physical changes versus chemical changes. Do you see anything that you can make a little more simplified and show you what matter hadn't changed before the experiment or after the experiment? And it doesn't really matter what the experiment was, as long as you look at this data here: mass, temperature, and color. I hope this helps you. Have a great day.